Hey guys, I'm here in the Yosemite Valley. Up above the Yosemite Valley. I wanted to thank you all for subscribing. That last video I put out was pretty popular. Makes sense, it had a crash in it. Everybody likes crash videos. Second I hit record, a million cars come. But yeah, I just wanted to thank you all for tuning in, and I wanted to put out a little video saying what I did after the crash, especially what I did to make sure my bike was safe, because as you guys probably saw, Jeff's bike was split in half. So I was thinking that my bike might have some damage. So what I did was I put it up on the stand and I basically gave it a thorough wash. So I took the wheels off, I looked at the seat stays and the dropouts and everything, and you just want to check for cracks, and you want to check for what, if it fails on a descent, what's gonna kill you. So your frame is one, your wheels are one, and a really important one, at least for me, is your steerer tube. So I dropped my fork down and just made sure that my steerer tube was all good, because I don't know about you guys, but I have this fear that I'm gonna be doing a sprint, I'm gonna like tear my handlebars off my steerer tube. But yeah, I was lucky, everything is good. My wheels are a little out of true, but that's no big deal. My derailleur hanger was a little bent, but again, no big deal. So I'm super lucky. I literally feel like I dodged a bullet. And yeah, so I hope you all stay safe. I have a block of racing coming up, and yeah, I'm hoping to put out some more videos. So thanks for the subs. If you're not subbed, I guess sub. It's so cringeworthy, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.